Latest model fridge of 500 and some capacity. The control panel which shows the fridge temperature, freezer temperature, lock, alarm, off, on. And this is the fridge. Upon the fridge, so I have these racks here. I have the smaller bottles here on top: fish sauce, jams, mayonnaise, mustard sauce, gulab jamun. Here I have peanut butter. I have this date syrup, eggs, butter, white butter, curd packet. I have olives, cheese, chocolates, badam milk, fish sauce, tomato sauce, soy sauce, chili sauce. This is my homemade katamita chutney. This is my batter, idli batter. This is my pineapple soaking in syrup, sugar syrup. This is my palil chutney. This is my pav. And this flour rack where I store my flour. A few green vegetables. And here I have all my some fruits: mulberry, guava, tomatoes, have no frost freezer with all my frozen food. Then I have my masalas and dry fruits. Finally I have my milk drop.